I think the short-term momentum has been lost. The very fact that 6100 was not held on to, it should have bounced back strongly from that point for the short-term momentum to continue. That has not happened clearly. Having said that, I still have hopes that 5950, 5970, the prior swing low that is there, which happened 2-3 weeks back, that will be held on to. And in case that doesn't, then we have to talk of probably lower levels, 59, 58, whatever. At this point in time, I would say the momentum is lost, but the trend is still intact. The Nifty is likely to move in the 6,000, 6,150 range. And I am fully in agreement with Ashwani. Let 6150 be taken out. Then we can talk of a new move in the offing. Till that time, I think we will be in that 6,000, 6,120, 150 range. Individual stocks, I have a buy in Sun Pharma, stop loss 987, target 1030. A buy in Castrol, stop loss 339, target 356. A buy in Berger Paints, stop loss 243, target 262. A sell in IOC in the range of 295 to 297, a stop loss 301, target 284. And a sell in Financial Technology, stop loss 807, target 750.
Well, we have been having some kind of sell calls for the last few days. It's been a mix of sell and buy calls. I think I'll follow a similar kind of pattern today as well. Andhra Bank is a sell. That's the stock which is broken below the earlier swing lows. So now can be sold with a stop at about 91 or just above that. And I would look for a short target of around 85 over there. DLF, which broke below the 200 average as well as the earlier swing lows of 230, now can be sold with a stop at 232.55 or and look for a price target of around 215 on the downside. Havells though is a buy, but I would wait for this stock to start trading above 690. That's where some kind of momentum will come in, and that's the intraday breakout level. So buy above 690, keep a stop at 674. Look for target of around 720. And I've got a buy on Gen Irrigation, again a buy about 69.25. So I would wait for the prices to kind of confirm some momentum happening over there. So buy about 69.25, keep a stop at about 67.5. Look for target of around 72.5. And finally a sale on a sell call on Gas Authority with a stop at about 336 for a target of 315.
Well, Nifty for the day needs to stay above 6105. Resistance at 6136, 6168 and support at 6063 and 6032. Bank Nifty needs to stay above 13,038 and CNX IT needs to stay above 6443. It's pertinent to point out that we tend to take these gap downs and gap ups fairly seriously. A 35-40 point gap down means that there is a clear sell signal at the opening. Generally, gap days tend to close at the extremes. So a trend day may be in the offing if we start building on that gap. Fresh calls, Maruti is a sell with a stop of 1705, target of 1650. Allahabad Bank is a sell with a stop of 128, target of 115. Punj Lloyd is a sell with a stop of 51, target of 42. DLF is a sell with a stop of 232, target of 216. Oracle Financial is a buy with a stop of 2400, target of 2550. And TCS is a buy with a stop of 1475, target of 1550.